Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel, Cripples Animal Crawlers, where we've got another amazing, awesome video here for you. These majestic creatures, so lovely. Birds of the air, cute animals. Wow. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that like button. All kinds of birds for you on Cripples Animal Crawlers. So if you're into birds, hit that like button once again and just keep smashing it, because we got birds for you all day. Cripples Animal Crawlers. Very unique birds. How they fly and sink sometimes. Wow. Animals of the air. If you want to see more great videos, and every time a great video comes out by Cripples Animal Crawlers, just ring that notification bell also. Wow. Really born for the air. So amazing. I know some of us wish we could fly, that's for sure. Let me know in the comment section if you wish you could fly, and I'll respond to you. Thank you once again for watching Cripples Animal Crawlers.